MarineGeoHazard is a regional early warning system for marine geohazards representing a risk to the Romanian, Bulgarian Black Sea coastal area. A project financed with nearly €6 million of European Commission structural funds as part of the Romania-Bulgaria Cross-Border Cooperation Programme 2007-2013, managed by the Romanian Ministry of Regional Development and Public Administration and implemented by the National Institute for Research and Development of Marine Geology and Geoecology, GeoEcomar, as the lead partner.
Proiectul MarineGeoHazard realizează pentru prima oară în România un sistem complex de monitorizare de mediu cu echipamente ultra-performante.
Ce ar fi de menționat este scopul final al proiectului. Scopul acestuia este acela de a avertiza autoritățile din zona de coastă în cazul în care în mediul marin se produc o serie de hazarde care ar putea prezenta risc pentru populație și pentru partea de infrastructură a zonei de coastă.
The project addresses a target group comprising inspectorates for emergency situations, local, regional and national Romanian and Bulgarian authorities, local communities in the cross-border area, European marine environmental monitoring networks, and the national and international scientific community.
Ultimul utilizator al rezultatelor obținute în cadrul acestui proiect vor fi inspectoratele pentru situații de urgență și cele din România, și vorbim aici de județele Tulcea și Constanța, cât și cele din Bulgaria. Aici, la aceste inspectorate, vor ajunge semnalele de alarmă în cazul în care se constată că un anumit fenomen marin poate deveni periculos pentru zona de coastă.
A fi avertizat cu 10-15 minute înainte de, hai să zicem, valul uriaș care ar putea să impacteze coasta în zona litorală, este extrem de important.
Bringing together the expertise of the two countries, MarineGeoHazard aims to establish a joint regional early warning system and common decision-making tool, which will give efficient support to emergency managers and decision-makers responsible for protecting local communities, assets and the environment from the consequences of natural marine geohazards within the cross-border area.
Най-важните ползи от този проект за българската страна бих ги сумирал последния начин. На първо място ние получаваме една система за ранно предупреждение, която включва сценарии за бързо реагиране, което е особено важно за българската част на второ място ние получаваме в реално време достъп до океанографски данни, което ще бъде много важно за нашето участие и в други европейски проекти.
By targeting the most vulnerable cross-border area of the Black Sea coast, where cautious exploitation of resources and effective protection against risks are a prerequisite, and where the present lack of any natural marine geohazard prevention system could lead to a general disaster, MarineGeoHazard addresses the need for environmental conservation and protection, including the prevention of natural and technical risks and the coordination of cross-border emergency responses.
MarineGeoHazard има изключително голямо значение за България, респективно за българско черноморско крайбрежие. Неговото изпълнение ще подсигури много по-голяма сигурност на живеещите и пребиваващи по крайбрежието.
Through the implementation of this system, the project joins forces and eliminates the duplication of national efforts relating to the rapid detection, assessment and notification of marine hazards, thus providing a unique, economically efficient and sustainable cross-border infrastructure, jointly shared and operated by the two countries for the mutual benefit of the population in the border area.
Echipamentele care sunt achiziționate și montate în cadrul proiectului vor monitoriza atât apele teritoriale ale României, cât și cele ale Bulgariei, inclusiv zonele de coastă.
Moreover, by linking the newly created MarineGeoHazard Early Warning System with existing national networks, such as the National Seismological Network, integrating and unifying the data in a single database, and combining the related technical and scientific capabilities of the two countries, The project ultimately results in the setup of a strong cooperative cross-border structure that will underpin and support the further integration of national emergency plans and coordinated mitigation strategies in the cross-border area.
Изпълнението на проекта беше много трудно и налагаше се да се решават доста задачи, които изискаха твърде много знания, но екипът се справи.
MarineGeoHazard represents the combined effort of the two neighbouring countries to address a common threat to the cross-border region in a coordinated manner, a natural marine hazard unaffected by artificial barriers such as political boundaries. It thus entirely follows the core ethos of the cross-border cooperation programme strategy, which is cooperation focused on issues for which cross-border action is a key requirement.
Marea Neagră este un bazin marin special, un bazin marin care chiar avea nevoie de o serie de elemente care să ajute cercetarea și să ajute autoritățile cu putere de decizie să facă anumite lucruri.
Being a semi-landlocked marine basin delimited by active fault systems and showing a high regional level of tectonic activity, the Black Sea Basin represents a suitable area for the occurrence of natural marine geohazards. The geohazard potential of the area is increased by the presence of gas hydrate fields in the northwest, the existence of sediment accumulation at the margins of the continental slope, with the associated issue of problematic and massive gas eruptions, as well as unstable sediment masses and submarine landslides. The characteristic features of the Romanian-Bulgarian sea coast, its large shelf, shallow water, and low shore topography, make it highly vulnerable to such geohazard events.
Din punctul nostru de vedere al cercetătorilor, această cantitate uriașă de date referitoare la parametrii fizico-chimici ai apei mării, la deplasarea maselor de apă, la vitezele curențurilor din apă, la modificările de presiune din coloana de apă, sunt elemente care ne ajută foarte mult în înțelegerea fenomenelor marine și ne ajută foarte mult la corelarea anumitor informații, nu doar pentru zona României, ci pentru partea de vest a bazinului Mării Negre.
In the context of global climate change and the ongoing development of submarine infrastructure in the Black Sea, MarineGeoHazard represents the first major initiative to address the establishment of a geohazard early warning system for the Black Sea in an integrated and coordinated manner. The project's strategic objective of developing marine geohazard early warning capabilities in the cross-border area will stimulate and foster regional collaboration, underpinning the development of a Black Sea regional system in line with ongoing European and intergovernmental initiatives such as GEO, GMES.
În felul acesta, prin construirea acestei rețele, România va deveni membru al acestor organizații europene și sigur că integrarea sistemelor din Marea Neagră cu cele din Mediterana și restul Europei va împinge cercetarea românească într-o zonă de interes deosebit din toate punctele de vedere.
MarineGeoHazard has succeeded in achieving the expected results. A coordinated approach to the assessment of marine geohazards, including an inventory of marine geohazards in the western Black Sea, representing a risk to the Romanian-Bulgarian cross-border area, the delimitation of related areas of origin for each hazard, joint maps and registers for the Romanian-Bulgarian cross-border area. An operational joint early warning system for marine geohazards representing a risk to the Romanian-Bulgarian Black Sea cross-border area, comprising the following modules: a network of complex automatic marine measurement equipment, a total of 5 marine gauges, installed in key points of the Black Sea deep water area at water depths of up to 120 meters. Regional capability for marine seismic monitoring and surveillance consisting of real-time onshore equipment, 3 marine seismicity monitoring systems, 1 coastal gauge, 5 strong motion seismometers and 5 extensometers. specialized seismic devices operated from the Romanian RV MarineGeoHazard, one marine seismic acquisition system with low-frequency acoustic pulse and 5 ocean bottom seismometers, OBSs, and the Bulgarian RV Academic with 2 OBSs. An online network of geodynamic surveillance stations for the Black Sea cross-border area, 18 DGPS stations which are operated by centers in Constanța, Romania, GeoEcoMar, and Varna, Bulgaria, IOBAS, both of which are equipped with the same software and data analysis capabilities. State-of-the-art computing capabilities linking the seismic and marine data from Romania, GeoEcoMar Constanța, and NIEP Eforia Nord, and Varna, Bulgaria, IOBAS.
Toate informațiile pe care aceste echipamente le transmit referitoare la parametrii mării vor fi transmise către 2 centre de coordonare aflate la Constanța și la Varna, centre care la rândul lor comunică între ele.
Va fi primul sistem care va achiziționa date în timp real, pe termen lung, date care vor fi stocate în bazele de date de la institutul nostru și de la Varna și care vor permite ulterior realizarea de modele matematice în foarte multe privințe.
An updatable joint marine geological data bank, this comprises all the information needed to generate and issue an early warning notification and assess the development of a geological hazard situation, including topography, coastal occupation, marine infrastructure, bathymetry, lithology, basement geology, structural investigations, tectonics, seismology, etc. Thematic maps of the Black Sea coastal area containing detailed information such as the topography of the coastal area and identification of areas vulnerable to flooding, sea bottom morphology along the inner shelf area, location and characterization of active areas in terms of linear movements, faults, or vertical elevation movements, subsidence or tilt, tectonic blocks. A register of geological faults including large-scale maps for each seismic area, an electronic register of earthquakes based on the integration and re-evaluation of national data, and characterization of seismic sources according to international practices and procedures. A decision support tool and database of flooding scenarios for the Romanian-Bulgarian coast. This consists of a dedicated software package for assessing the consequences of natural disasters caused by marine geohazards and giving rapid notification to emergency authorities in the cross-border area. It also includes a database of scenarios, which includes the mapping of areas liable to flooding depending on the intensity of events taking place in the marine environment, according to the Beaufort and Papadopoulos-Imamura scales, including events generated directly by geotectonic factors such as seismic waves and tsunamis. Training of local trainers and staff.
Бих казал, че този проект демонстрира ползите за България и за Румъния от тяхното европейско членство, а също така спомогна много за подобряване на координацията на научните дейности на партньорите от българска и румънска страна.
MarineGeoHazard will definitely have an impact across the entire Black Sea region. Early warnings of marine geohazards are of interest to all countries bordering the Black Sea and are urgently needed. The system can and must be extended to include Georgia, Ukraine and Turkey, thus resulting in an integrated transnational early warning system, and it's clear that the Romanian-Bulgarian cross-border area will have an important role as flag bearer in this endeavour. The Marine Geohazard Consortium intends to actively promote the creation of such a system by means of opportunities provided under the Black Sea Joint Operational Programme, as well as the Southeast Europe Programme. Project setup and implementation of key core components of a regional early warning system for marine geohazards of risk to the Romanian-Bulgarian Black Sea coastal area is financed by the Romania-Bulgaria Cross-Border Cooperation Programme 2007-2013. The Romania-Bulgaria Cross-Border Cooperation Programme 2007-2013 is co-financed by the European Union through the European Regional Development Fund.